And today, we're reacting to weather moments, but they get increasingly more terrifying. Different type of video on this channel, man. But hey, spam the like right now before we even get started. Just start spamming. Go ahead. Let's get into it. Let's do it.
Extreme weather moments on the internet, but they get progressively more terrifying as the video goes on.
Extra windy day. I could survive that. Yeah, I can survive the extra windy day. I'm gonna say these are like how many I can survive, you know what I mean? Water splashing up highly onto my resort as I'm trying to relax. I can survive this. I can survive this because also when I seen the waves coming, I would have seen the first one right then. She ain't got up. She's still recording. It would have splashed, would have immediately started moving back. He laughing and joking. I would have been moved back. A windy day. Ooh.
These sheep sensed the tornado before it even hit.
That last one I'm surviving, by the way. Sheep have a tornado drill? Everybody clump up together. This is kind of like it was when we were in school. Damn. If sheep can survive it, I can too.
Oh, you got your umbrella?
Oh! Damn.
This reporter was covering a storm in France when this happened.
Lady, what are you doing? Lady, what are you doing? Lady! Help her. Bro, nah, look at this. No way. You're sitting here standing next to this. Oh! No more phone.
Oh! I just got that! Oh my god!
She ran up.
My tree just fell down, and my trampoline is trying to go over my fence.
Damn. Gone.
A snowstorm interrupted this family's game night.
This look like a poker tournament almost. Oh!
Thankfully, no one was harmed.
Yeah, no way. Yeah, absolutely no way. No way. You on the bridge and it flip you off. And why is this even built like this? Why is this bridge even built like this to where it could be wonky like that? Dear God, you're not going home. Hell no. Wow.
Really strong winds caused a pane of glass to fall, but luckily nobody was hurt.
By the grace of the Lord. I couldn't survive that one. Bro, look at this hail. Oh shit. Bro, I would have been furious. Guys, if I was in the Benz, I was in the AMG riding from the gym and it started hailing in like this, bro, I would have been sick to my fucking stomach. I would have just went out there and just hoped one of them hit me in the top of the noggin. I'm lying. Damn. Nah, that's a different type of hail. But is the right thing to do is just sit there? Or are you supposed to drive? No, it's probably just sit there. Because if it break through and then you fucking... Yeah. No one was harmed. This nigga's pockets were when he got tried to fix his car.
A giant water spout tore through this person's backyard.
I didn't even know these were things. A water spout? Oh man, get in the house. Ooh. What were they cheering? Shit. Damn, you see how he started backing up? Oh shit! Why
Back
is
in
it constantly
2018,
striking that?
Powerful winds in China left this cyclist stranded.
That's a volcano? Or a mountain top? That bro, niggas need to get in the crib, bro. Hello again, real quick. I know I've shown you apps like this before, and y'all literally ran them up to where all the good games were gone. A lot of y'all sent me DMs of y'all making some bread, maybe for some food. Some of y'all actually making some real bread, I'm not gonna lie. So to help y'all out, I found a new one. It's called Tester Up, and it pays you to test mobile games. Basically the same idea. You play games on your phone and get paid. But this one has new games that you haven't seen on the other ones yet. If you decide to try it, make sure you use my link in the description or scan the QR code on the screen to make sure you're on the exact one that I'm using. Just doing a little trial run myself, I was able to see it was pretty easy to stack some money playing casual. You decide to try it, make sure you show me your earnings, bro. I love seeing y'all running up, and it convinces the doubters a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. Hit the link in my description or scan the QR code and try it out, bro. Let's get back to it. Yeah. Oh! Get out of here! Bro, they just stand. Look at them. Why is your little girl outside? Why are you letting your kid even be outside right now, sir? Get in the house. Oh, damn. What is that? Tornado? Bro, L Dad.
A storm in Oregon caused a 100-year-old tree to fall onto this person's house.
Oh my God.
A tree just fell through our house.
Holy shit.
Oh my God.
Your car too. What do you do, bro? You just sit there and just be like, just, you know, have some emotions and then just, well, I'm fucked.
Oh no.
Right.
Oh, he's running. That kid's running in.
Oh!
I got that on video.
Oh my God. Yo. God said, be humble. I just want you to know, I just want to remind you that I control your life. Look at this. Huh? Damn. Bro, God just said, hey, just want you to know real quick, I control your situation. Have a good day. Cause bro.
The extreme heat in China caused this road to explode.
Ooh, another one. Damn, all the donkeys like, oh shit, the crib. What is this, water? What is happening? Is this just wind? Bro, what's up with the wind? Yo, the wind just... Damn, that's strictly off of wind. Oh, he's racing. He honking. Move! Bro, that other car bogus as hell, bro. Go! You looking back. Go, go, go! Go! Go, go!
These window washers were caught in strong winds while suspended hundreds of feet in the air.
Hell nah. Hell nah. I gotta sue somebody because, like, as a company though, you're supposed to know, oh yeah, it's supposed to get bad and we'll look at the weather and all of that. Yeah, yeah.
缠住了呗？不是，我是从那里边下不来吗？被你从那边掉下来。
No way. Oh! Your whole barn just fucking smashes into your house. Just pick your barn up real quick. Here we go. This is, bro, driving on some shit like this is kind of crazy, bro. Like, it almost don't make sense. Like, I know you got to get home and all of that, but it's just so much room for error. Oh! Another one. Another situation like the other. I control your life.
Back
Sincerely,
in
God.
2013, this emergency response ship encountered some really rough.
What a job, bro. Could y'all do this? $200,000 a year. You got to be at sea 1 month out the year. 3 months out the year, you got to be at sea. $250,000 a month.
Seas.
Shit! Oh my God. That's like that tornado video we watched, guys. This is insanity. I just be praying, please don't come take my blue house. Look, they walking normal. Oh, get in! Get in! Damn.
Oh,
Shit.
We got a nader! We got a nader! Hell yeah! That's where she is, baby! Rip it up! Rip it down! Yeah! Yeah!
This nigga's happy as shit's getting thrown all over the place. Wow. Get in the house,
This
sir.
plane was coming in for a landing in 40-knot crosswinds.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh shit. Get a pilot a raise, bro. Bro, imagine the niggas on the plane. What's he doing? What are you doing, sir? Oh! Get in that. Bro, he was just little boy. Little boy. They just normally walk across this? And it could have been that easy right then. Sheesh.
This police officer
Saving him from. Look like that nigga ran away.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
A dust devil caught this paraglider at a really bad time.
Uh-oh. Help me! Somebody grab me! Oh, nah, they don't want to fly off with him. That's what it is. Bro, you need a pocket knife or something. He's taking him! Bro, imagine you sitting there watching, bro, and your man just fly off into the sky. You better grab one of them trees, facts. Yeah. There we go. Looks like weather is good over here. Oof. Take it back.
Which was last set in 1963. Today's
My stomach growling, y'all. That's not funny. It's the guy. That's not funny. It's the guy yelling. The guy yelling. That made me laugh like that. That's not funny though. I promise. I promise. I was just laughing at the guy. Oh my God.
3 degrees, which was last set in 1963. Today's low temperature was 63.
Back in 2014, these storm chasers captured a really rare weather phenomenon.
You look like you're about to drive dead into that shit. Oh, is that his intention?
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's creep. Just keep an eye right there. That might. Just RFU in so we can hit it.
You know what? We can turn right up here. We can turn right up here.
Them tornado niggas be passionate about that shit, bro. Damn. The house is insane.
You what?
Damn, your house going is insane. No way. That, what do they call those guys? What do they call these? Somebody let me know in the comments. What do they call these? Ooh! Ooh! Ooh!
In 2022, houses along Lake Erie froze because of the extreme temperatures.
Keep creeping up.
Damn!
아, 이 집만 사시는 거야? 어머.
The man got up a few seconds later and was totally fine.
I could do this. I could do this job, guys. What's the likeliness that you're gonna be underwater? You know? What's the likeliness you end up being somewhere where they can't find you? I'd imagine pretty low. The job looks
Heavy rain in Vietnam
brutal,
triggered a huge mudslide.
Ooh. That's what a mudslide could look like?
No!
Oh shit.
Oh my lord.
Oh shit, and they can't
Man, we
see.
can do, man.
Hey! Oh! Hey! No!
This crane in Russia blew over because of strong winds.
They're trying to tell me nobody got hurt in this? Shit! Bro, that almost landed right on the... Bro, crazy. Let's slide. Sir! Maybe the best option? Running out the house, I guess? I don't know.
Back in 2022, houses in Canada were swept away during Hurricane Fiona.
I must have something very ignorant, and it is ignorant because I still didn't know that Canada could get hurricanes. I didn't know that. I don't know nothing about Canada though. This don't even look like what I would think Canada would look like.
Luckily, there was no one inside at the time.
Take that bridge. Let me get that. It's part of me now. What is this, guys?
That building out.
This just slick look fake. Should we get away from the windows? Hold on, hold on. Hey, look, they in a tank.
Yeah, we got trees and everything else behind us, yeah.
A 7.7 magnitude earthquake in Myanmar created a huge tidal wave.
These Asian
Luckily,
countries
no
be
one
going
was
through it,
seriously
boy.
injured.
Just swept that too, by the way. Just swept that too, by the way. I don't think running's gonna do anything, so I think this just like this guy's accepting his fate. You might just need to just get on your knees and pray. Thank you, God, for the life that you allowed me to live. And I mean, shit, it's about to get real cold. Man. Oh. Yeah, now I'm trying to run. Oh, snap. I didn't know it was coming for me. Yeah. You with us now. You're part of the blizzard. At least you didn't get the snowy part, though.
This fisherman was struck by lightning and was somehow completely unharmed.
That guy does not look completely unharmed. If I'm being completely honest. I would just want to show it says no one was harmed. Unless he's about to get up. That guy didn't look completely unharmed, guys. A tornado would really turn your shit into paper in the sky. What are y'all boys bracing yourself for a run? Oop, he just made it with his life. Oh shit. Wow. Wow. That's a tornado that just ran right over, like you were in the eye of it. Must be what that is. Whoa.
This is what it's like to drive through a 150-mile-per-hour tornado.
Just tearing your fucking car up. Holy shit. Why are you still moving? Is this the car? He's not, his foot's not on the gas, right? It is. He's steering. Bro, what are you doing? I mean, you got out of there.
In 2014, one of the biggest tornadoes to ever hit Nebraska.
Crazy. That being said, man, let me know what y'all think. Let me know some of y'all stories in the comments too. Like the video, sub, comment, subscribe to the channel. I love you. I appreciate Griffin. We are gone. AGD, let do it.